everyone. We are here to present our project. We are Group 3. My name is Izaba Inaze. By number is 27869. Our project name is deal with IoT. Our project name is Smart Home Energy Management System. How our project is working. Our projects work when people come within the room and sensors detecting the motion of that person, the light come up. When he leave room, the light come off. Include our project is there is the part of security, protect the intruders in entire environment. When the light, the environment, the system detecting the darkness in entire environment, the light come up. Let's proceed how our project is working with my group member. Let's call upon who is going to present about the objective and problem statement with our project.
Thank you very much. My name is Tizere Benza. My leg number is 27287. So our project, as you see, we have prepared very well by the problem we have faced when there's someone needs save the power of the energy we need for every time and every day. So the objective of our project is to decrease the wastage of the energy. That's the first main objective we are focused on, and the second is to decrease the time we spend for the switch on the bulbs and whatever. So our project will be the one which is help us to decrease the wastage of the time and to manage our time very well. So that's our part of this project, main objective and the challenges we overcome. So let's continue with the next colleague.
Let's go on how the next colleague is going to explain the tools we are using to our project. Let's go to the next colleague.
Thank you. My name is Umuhire Elise. My leg number is 27130/2024. I'm going to talk about the two materials we used in our project. The first, we used USB-A type B that used to connect Arduino and computer, and we use Arduino that it's like a brain, and we have breadboard. Breadboard, it's used to connect all things in our project. Also, we use DRS sensor. The DRS sensor, it detects the darkness, and we use a ultra socket that's used to detect emotion, and we use jumper wires. Thank you.
Let's proceed to the next colleagues who is going to show us how system is working on. Let's go.
Thank you. My name is Mucho David. My leg number is 26568. I'm going to show you how our system will work. When someone enters in the room and a sensor detects the motion, you see the lights turn on. When someone comes in, the lights turn on automatically. And then another sensor outside, when it detects the darkness, the lights turn on. Yeah, that's how our system will work. Thank you.
Let's proceed to the last phase, which is coding, or the codes we're using for this system. As you know that the system needs codes. Let's call upon the last colleague who's going to explain how the codes is working in the system.
Hello everyone, my name is Basi Biopamba. My reg number is 26618-2024. I'm going to be explaining about the source code that was used to program the Arduino. Can you please come closer? Okay, so firstly, we can see we have a couple of variables that sets our initial values for each of our components. And then next, we have our setup function that's going to run and set up our code on the Arduino board. Our next function is the loop, which comprises of our continuous program is going to continuously run our program, checking for each of our values. Within our loops, we have a condition that constantly check for the distance of our ultrasonic sensor, and it detects up to 40 centimeters. And our second condition within our loop is the ones that check for our second sensor that detects the threshold of darkness. If it's below 100, it puts on the light. So that is all. This is our output for each of our sensors and our code. Thank you.
Okay, as you can see, our project is a smart home management system. Smart home energy management system is a very good project, which is durable, usable. Everyone can access, can use it for increasing for saving energy. As you can see, in this generation, we need to save energy and save our money, save time, and increasing our security. We can encourage you to use this. The system is very easy to, is durable and very simple cost for affording this system. Thank you to following us in this project. We shall meet on the next phase. Thank you.